Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can sell stocks on Etoro. So in order to sell stocks on Etoro, all you need to do is make sure that you have enough funds. Along with that, make sure that your account is verified. Then to begin with, log in into your Etoro account and go ahead and tap the transfer button. As soon as you click the transfer button, that's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to go ahead and select whether you want to buy or sell. Go ahead and select the buy button. Then it's going to show you this kind of interface. Right on this page, you'll need to go ahead and select what you actually want to sell, and you have to enter in the exact amount. You also need to convert it in all sort of type and all that, and if you're sure about it, then click on set order. Next page, you'll have to confirm all of the information that you've provided. If the information seems to be valid enough, then confirm the sell, and that is how you can sell stocks on Etoro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.